Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can restore already closed tabs in the Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Comet AI web browser and let me navigate to an example page and close it afterwards and show you how you can restore it. So let me give the AI the command to open up this page in a new tab. There you go. So what you want to do is simply right click into it and close it. And after that, guys, all you need to do is simply click into that space here next to the new tab with your right mouse and select reopen closed tab. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T or Command+Shift+T if you're using a Mac. And after that, the website or the page that has been closed in that tab may be restored. That's one way how you can do this, guys. Of course, you can always access your browsing history and simply access the closed website or page from there. To do that, click into that arrow down icon here and navigate to your history. And after that, select either one of these recent tabs here, or for example, navigate to your browsing history and simply go through that history and simply select the website you would like to or the tab you would like to access, or you accidentally closed, for example, even as far as, I don't know, as far as the browsing history goes. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.